Alright, today we're trying something different. We're trying CECE'S Veggie Company meals. This is organic zucchini with organic marinara sauce.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! Why zucchini? We like to spiralize zucchini because they are extremely versatile and packed with nutrition. Zucchini noodles are a source of antioxidants and vitamin C, the stuff that keeps you from getting the sniffles. Pre-packaged noodles, like ours, also help improve digestion while staying low in calorie and carbs, so your tummy doesn't feel bloated after a yummy meal. Spiralized zucchini noodles are also loaded with B vitamins, which boost your cognitive health and metabolism. And did we mention that prepackaged zucchini noodles have a quick cook time and taste delicious? Eat them raw, sauteed, as an alternative to pasta, sauce sidelined, in a pasta or in a soup. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Well, I can tell you the truth, they have done that already. Organic zucchini spirals. Nutritional information. There's 4 servings per container. Calories 10, none from fat, total fat 0, saturated fat 0, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 10 milligrams, perfect if you're having a salt problem. Total carbs 3 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, 1 gram sugar, 1 gram protein, 4% vitamin A, 20% vitamin C, 2% calcium, 2% iron.
It says right here 2 to 4 minutes, heat and eat. I love this. Organic zucchini, organic marinara, organic ground tomato, organic tomatoes, citrus acid, water, organic onions, organic cornstarch, organic sugar, organic extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, organic garlic, organic basil, organic oregano, organic black pepper. And then they tell you how to use it here. How to. I think today I'm going to use a microwave, open package and remove moisture catcher and Mariana. Open Mariana and pour directly over noodles, zucchini, microwave for 1.5 minutes. So that's 1.5 minutes. Or open Mariana and pour into microwave bowl. Heat for 2 minutes and pour over fresh noodles, zucchini. Mix and serve. So think of it, after a long hot day, doesn't this look appealing? Isn't that delicious, the marinara sauce with the veggie spaghetti? Okay, so we're going to cut this open. Let the cardboard off. Alright, so you can see what it looks like. You can see the sauce there and the noodles. So we're going to pull this off. It smells really nice. So we're going to pull this off and I'm going to put it all together. Now what I'm going to do a little bit different is I'm going to put fresh tomatoes in it. But you don't have to do that, but that's just going to make it taste that much better. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get our tomatoes and with a cutting board we're going to cut them up and dice them. We're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. There. Now it's on 2 minutes. Wrapper here has got more information on the inside. They say here, we want you to enjoy our noodle veggies without question. CECE'S Veggie Company products are made with a dedicated facility that are wheat-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, shellfish-free, and soy-free. Can't beat that. You have recipes inside. So this is what it looks like when you pull it out of the container. And it looks, if you think about it, it almost looks like spaghetti, but you know, like pasta spaghetti, but this is veggie spaghetti. This is the tomato I put on top of it. It's a little juicy because of the tomato, but I can tell you it's going to be just wonderful. Okay, let's see if I can get a spoon. Okay, bottoms up.
It acts like spaghetti.
Yeah, it acts like spaghetti. It's very good.
Tastes like spaghetti?
No, it tastes like vegetables. But the point being is that you can have a good meal that comes out of a package and that's ready to eat in 2 minutes, and it's tasty. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.